Alright, you guys, this is the day after the snow, and been out here cleaning off the cars, doing some shoveling. This is what it's looking like. It's supposed to be in the 30s today. Hubby is out there doing the snow blower. You can see the snow blowing out there by the driveway. This is what it's looking. Trees always look beautiful in after the snow falls down. Gorgeous. Now I have to do my part, which is I have to shovel off the walkway. So let me get my shovel. I'm taking a shortcut through the here on the porch because there's no snow here, but this is the area that I have to shovel off. This walkway down here all the way down to the car. So let me start getting this shoveled and I'll come back when it's all done. Alright guys, so I did the part I was supposed to be doing, my sidewalk. I finished that up. Whew, looking good. Driveway's done. But this is going to be something that I'm going to have to address in the spring. You see how my bushes, my boxwoods, here, they're all loaded up with the snow, but this one down here on the end, look at this one. It is so pretty. Look at that. Look at much snow. I don't want to put, look at that. Make me a little snowball. I should throw it at my husband, but I won't. I'll just lay it back here. See? Woohoo! But this is the tree that this bush, this boxwood here. The snow has really did some damage to it, so I think I'm going to have to see if it recover. But I've been nursing this boxwood for like maybe 3 years now, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this boxwood out because it blocks my walkway when I'm coming out of my car. It always hits my car door in the front of my car, so I'm going to eliminate this one and not put another boxwood here, because I have a total of this boxwood here, and as you can see down the aisle, I got boxwoods all over there. So that's what my plan is for the spring, is to eliminate this bush. All right, you guys, so this is what our area is looking like after the snow. It's going to warm up today, so I don't think this side of the street is going to have a lot of snow left because that's the sunny side of the street. Our street on our side is in the shade, so it's going to take us a while to get rid of all this. Look at all this. But it's beautiful, though. I love it. But, all right, I will keep you updated on what is happening over here in Virginia, Zone 7B, after the Snowmageddon. Second day of our snow day. Snow day. Woohoo! So let me do my 360 like I always do. Guys ready? Snow day. Snow day. Woohoo! There we go, you guys. More and more snow is upon us. And we're supposed to get like a wintry mix with some rain snow mix, but I don't think we're going to get as much. But we're going to throw some salt down here on our driveway so we can keep that melted, so your child won't have to keep coming out here and shoveling this snow. But you know what? It's so much fun. Woo! All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee, we'll see you in the next video. All right, you guys, take care.